This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process our return of capital. A return of capital is used to reduce the cost of a client holding. In this example, we will process the Natwest Group return of capital. Natwest shareholders received 16.8 pence for every share owned on the special dividend record date of the 26th of August 2022. The ex-date was the 30th of August 2022 and the opening price of the Natwest shares on this date was 220 pence. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 14 for return of capital. Assuming the date used when entering investment transactions is the execution date and not the settlement date, and allowing for T+2 settlement, set the execution record date to the 24th of August 2022. Set the ex-date to the 30th of August 2022, or the date that your clearer issued the payment. Set the valuation price and currency to 220 pence, which was the opening price on the ex-date. The valuation price of the shares is needed to determine if the cash received should be treated as small or large cash as defined by the HMRC. Set the payment amount and currency to 16.8 pence. Add a description and leave the remaining fields at their default value. Use the returned Reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. In this example, the client bought 1,000 shares and the cost of the holding is reduced by £168, i.e. 1,000 shares by 16.8 pence. This in turn increases the capital gain or decreases the loss upon disposal.